Hi guys, this is day number 109 of my 365 livestream challenge, and today I'm making this livestream with my screen enabled, screen sharing session enabled. That's by the reason because if you remember back from previous live streams, today is September 1, and today we are starting our software startup workshop series, and it will go for the whole September. Every work day I will be sharing my screen and showing you how exactly looks our software startup workshop process. Of course, it won't be like too much details, but it will be exactly what we're doing on a higher level. I will just skim you quickly through the process, what we do with our client, what we do ourselves, what we do, and what kind of result we produce on that step. So right now on this screen, on this live stream, I want to demonstrate you, to show you quickly what will be our agenda and what kind of steps are included here. And this is the Lucy chart I'm using for this, the tool for this agenda that we have here. And we have four colors, four big stages of our workshop. Each of the lowest levels of the diagram are steps that we are taking with our clients, and these are exactly the same amount of steps that we have in September. 22 days in September, we have 22, and we have 22 steps that we are doing with clients. So I was pretty lucky. Every work day we'll dedicate to one step from our software startup workshop that we do with our client, and you will see a whole process by the end of September. Of course, on weekends I will not post anything on our workshop, about our workshop, just random stuff, so just work days. So what we have here is our agenda. This is exactly what we are doing with our client. We have four different stages, four different colors. First one is, I will enlarge it a bit, is basically the foundations we put together. It's basically about setting, like doing four tasks, setting the goal with our clients for their like personal and business goals with that software idea, coming up with a business model in the format of link canvas, doing customer interviews. We have two methods. I will tell you how do we validate idea, having two methods. And then we have to come up with some business name or code name for the project. Again, we have detailed worksheet how we do that, and what we do with the client here. The foundation stage we send as a homework for our clients for software startup workshop. For growth hacking workshop, we are doing this with our clients and for our clients, done for you service. But for software startup workshop, we assume that they did good job of doing customer interviews and some preliminary work with their idea to validate it. So this is first stage homework. We're sending it a couple of days before the workshop, and then we have first day of our workshop. Usually it takes around 4 hours. For smaller projects, for bigger projects it might take a bit longer. We have product strategy. Here we have two, and it's going for the first day live session. We have two stages here: market positioning and 5 core pillars of any software product strategy. For market positioning, we are doing some competitor research and coming up with unique value proposition. And then for the core pillars, 5 core pillars of any product strategy, we come up with a strategy how we're going to acquire users, activate them, retain for long term, and make them refer their friends. And final step in the any product strategy is monetization model that we do together with our clients. After that, we hop on the second day of live session. Again, around 4 hours of our time it takes with our client on during the live like the online or offline meeting or online call. And here we consider these steps. We brainstorm and put down the list of users and permissions and dashboards we are going to have inside our software. Now, second day, we talk about the software itself, the product finally, how it will look like, the functionality itself, etc. And second step is like we're putting some full scope raw notes, non-functional requirements. We have checklists for the risks, the most technically challenging functions. We have minimum sellable product scope to review. We have some design inspirations to acquire. And this is day 2. We basically brainstorm, collect, dump, research as much information as we have as we can during these 3 steps. After these 3 steps are done, then this is we close with our team of software developers, designers, the digital startup strategists in one room, and work for the next 3 to 5 working days and come up with so-called software blueprints. Blueprint. It's kind of deliverables of our software startup workshop. And here we mainly put together technical oversight, user stories and requirements and specifications, workday down structure, technical stack suitable for this project, and detailed estimates, step by step, a blueprint plan for the design and development and launching MVP product, and a product strategy, how we're going to grow it. So these are 4 stages. For each of these blocks, 22 blocks, we will dedicate 1 day live stream between 3 to 10 minutes. And if I cannot cover anything within this, and I will not cover a lot of things because like 3 to 10 minutes it's not enough to cover everything in all the details, I will also refer you to a couple more things to read on our blog, on our YouTube channel, or some other worksheets I will share with you from internal process, and I will show you everything on the screen. So if that's something that is of any interest to you, if you are going to launch your first software idea pretty soon, or second or third one, you're a business owner willing to do that, make sure you have allocated slot. It's 9 a.m. for Central Time, 10 a.m. for Western Time, and it's like 6 p.m. for Kiev, Istanbul time, and this is, I guess, 12 p.m. London time. Every day, weekday, full September, full month. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, or if you would love to include something else into that agenda, or maybe you have some questions regarding this process, please comment below so you can include in one of the next lessons. With that being said, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. We will start with the foundations, your goals, and keep going day by day. Thank you. Have a nice day, and remember, people need your